If you traded crypto in 2025, check your mailbox. You are likely about to receive the IRS's brand new crypto tax form, the 1099-DA. But here's the scary part. The numbers on that form might be completely wrong. If you just copy and paste them into your tax return, you could end up overpaying thousands of dollars. Hello, I'm Nelly, and today I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the new Form 1099-DA. Who gets one, why it's probably inaccurate, and exactly how to fix it before you file. So what is this thing? The 1099-DA, and DA stands for digital asset, is the first tax form purpose-built for crypto. Starting January 2026, major exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and others are required to send this form to both you and the IRS if you sold or traded crypto on their platform during the 2025 financial year. It looks a lot like the 1099-B you get for stocks, but it includes wallet addresses and transaction hashes, and a lot more information. Now, here's the big problem. While exchanges have to send you the form, they were given a loophole for this year. They are not required to report your cost basis, and your cost basis is what you originally paid for the coin. Without the cost basis, the IRS doesn't know how much profit you made. They only know how much you sold it for. Okay, what is a covered asset? A covered asset is any cryptocurrency you purchase inside a centralized exchange, a CeFi exchange, on or after January 1st, 2026. Exchanges are responsible for keeping track of the cost basis of covered assets and reporting this information to the IRS starting with the 2026 tax year. What is a non-covered asset? A non-covered asset is an asset that exchanges are not responsible for tracking. This includes any cryptocurrency you purchased before January 1st, 2026 at any exchange. It also includes any cryptocurrency that is transferred into an exchange from a self-custodial wallet. It also includes any cryptocurrency that is transferred into an exchange from another exchange. You are 100% responsible for keeping track of the cost basis for non-covered assets. So why does this matter? Exchanges have no legal requirement to track or report cost basis for non-covered assets to the IRS. So if you received Form 1099-DA for activity in the 2025 tax year, all the assets contained within the form are non-covered assets. That means exchanges are not required to track cost basis, and it's possible that your cost basis won't be reported on the form at all. This means that Form 1099-DAs in 2026 will not be helpful for calculating your actual gain/loss. Okay, if your form is missing the cost basis, which is box 1G, it will likely report your gross proceeds as if it were pure profit. So here's an example. If you bought one Bitcoin for $90,000 and sold it for $95,000, you should only be taxed on the $5,000 profit. The error, however, the 1099-DA might just show the $95,000 sale with a cost basis of $0. If you file that, the IRS thinks you owe taxes on the full $95,000. This happens because exchanges often don't know the price of coins you transferred in from a different wallet. So if your 1099-DA shows zero cost basis or incorrect numbers, do not just enter it into TurboTax or whatever tool you're using and just hope for the best. You still have to report your actual gains and losses. You do this on Form 8949, just like in previous years. Form 8949 has actually been updated for 2026 with new checkboxes, codes G, H, and I, specifically to tell the IRS, hey, I received a 1099-DA, but the cost basis wasn't reported. So here's the real information. So this is where Koinly saves the day. Because Koinly tracks your transfers across all your wallets, it knows your real cost basis, even when the exchanges don't. So connect all your wallets to Koinly. Koinly will identify the correct cost basis for every trade. Upload your 1099-DA to Koinly. You can decide to mark each 1099-DA form as received or non-received. And then with that information, the 8949 will be populated. Then simply download Form 8949 and Schedule D from Koinly and file how you usually do. Okay, to wrap up, expect a 1099-DA by mid-February or later. Check box 1G. If it's a blank or a 0, the form is incomplete. Use a crypto tax calculator to upload your 1099-DAs, compare this to your real cost basis, and generate accurate Form 8949s. Don't let a new form cost you money. I've dropped a link to our full guide on the 1099-DA in the description down below. If you need further assistance, I'll leave a bunch of different support options, including our help center and our forums. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you next time. Peace.